Today is Wednesday, April 11th. The time is 10:18 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2010 Panini Crown Royale football break. Break number 12. Good luck, everybody. Steve Smith, Giants. Panthers rookie autograph, Brandon LaFell, serial numbered 300 out of 499. Jerry Hughes, rookie, Colts. Gold Crown rookie for the Cowboys, Sean Lee, serial number 16 out of 25. Joseph Adai, Colts, All Pros. Deshaun Jackson, Eagles. Matt Hasselbeck, Seahawks. Sam Bradford, Royalty, jersey for the Rams, serial numbered 137 out of 299. Rams again, Keith Toston, rookie. Rams again, Steven Jackson, Blue Crown, serial number 3 out of 100. Royalty, Texans, Andre Johnson. Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Jason Campbell, Raiders. Raiders again, Royalty, Rolando McClain, jersey, serial numbered 169 out of 299. Navarro Bowman, rookie, 49ers. Living Legends, Ricky Jackson, Saints. Kings of the NFL, Texans, Matt Schwab. Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew. And the last pack, Chad Henne, Dolphins. Autograph Gold Crown, Jerry Hughes, rookie for the Colts, serial numbered 17 out of 25. Cleveland Browns, Jonathan Haggerty, rookie. Royalty, Jets, Joe McKnight. The Zone, Clinton Portis, Redskins. And the last card, Bills, Lee Evans. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for 2011 football, Topps Triple Threads. Also listed for 2011 football, Panini Totally Certified and Panini Prime Signatures. Ending today for 2012 baseball, Topps Museum Collection. For 2011-12 hockey, I have Panini Limited and Panini Certified. And I do also have another 2010 Crown Royale football box break listed.